Now, if I have one regret from summer 2026, it is that I did not make any family reunion merch because I have seen everybody at a family reunion. I don't know about you, but I've seen my friends on Instagram, TikTok, they are at family reunions, and it's not just like 10 or 15 of them, it's like 200 people. I'm like, dang it. And I'm seeing the shirts and they got their names on the back, and I'm like, somebody made those shirts, and it was not me. And I don't know if it was you, but if it was not you, this is how you can make family reunion merch summer 2026 because it's not too late. This is exactly what I would do if I did not have a really big budget, if I did not have the money to invest in a machine to do it myself, and if I had no idea how to actually get started. This is what I would do. Okay, I would follow what I'm about to tell you step by step. Okay, so first and foremost, I'm logging into Printify, right? It's a print on demand company. That means I don't have to worry about printing. I don't have to worry about packing it. I don't have to worry about going to the UPS and what happens if it gets lost, because I know that Printify is going to hold me down and make sure that it gets to the right place. So I am going to log into my Printify to get started. And listen, you do not have to just make a store. I'm going to show you a way today where you can actually create in bulk and ship it off to people. So you don't even have to like market your stuff online. If you are already well known in your community, if friends know you for being crafty and creating stuff, and you just haven't been able to invest in your own equipment, I'm going to show you how you can bulk order right here inside of Printify and make your own samples, all of that stuff. So this is what I would do. Okay, so now that I'm in my Printify, I'm going to go ahead and go to catalog. I'm going to find the shirt that I'm going to ship to people. So I'm going to go women, t-shirt. All right, so they have the best sellers up here. Let me tell you something. Gildan is always my go-to. If it's an event, if it's something where I need bulk, I'm going to grab the Gildan. All right, it's a great shirt. The brand is known. I've shown y'all some of my favorite brands before, and this one always makes the list because Gildan is a workhorse. It can do what it needs to do. So variants is your colors and your sizes, right? So I've seen a ton of red and blue this summer, and not just for the 4th of July, for the family reunions. So depending on whatever the family wants, I'm gonna just hit red. Let's do that. Okay. So then I'm going to create a design. Now I'm probably, if I'm rushing, I'm just gonna do it right here inside of Printify. If I really want something that I can go print myself, if I need to do that, then I'll probably go inside of Canva, create it there, save it onto my computer, and then upload it into Printify. And I can do that by hitting my device. For today, we're going to use AI because it's built in. So why not? We're going to go ahead and we're going to use our free will today, as we should. And I'm going to put in Lee Family Reunion because what I'm doing is creating a mock-up so that I can show people that I do merch for family reunions. That's all I want people to know, that I am somebody you can come to for your family reunion shirts. So I'm going to create a few designs. For the sake of this video, I'm only going to do one, but I'm going to create a few so that people can see it, right? So we got the Lee Family Reunion year. It's not saying the year. So I'm going to just say 2026. So let's do another one. Okay, so we have a design done for us, all right? So now I am going to put that on my shirt. All right, I'm gonna make it bigger so that it's centered, and boom, we have a shirt. And here are the mock-ups. They still left it in white, which is fine. So you can see we have the different color options, folded. So you can take these pictures, save them, and put them on your social media, or you can send them directly to people like Shantae. Did you know I did family reunion shirts? I know you got a big family. It's 500 of y'all. I got you. All right, so we're gonna save this. And then we have our mock-ups. We have a title. We have a description already built in. I'm going to hit enable personalization because I'm going to create a way for people to see what is possible in my family reunion, family type of brand. Okay. So then you can come over here and play around with the price, and then publishing is how you're going to connect a store so that people can find your product. So what I would do is launch a pop-up store. This is going to be no charge to you. So I'm going to launch that. And I would probably name this like family reunion merch specialist or something. I would come up with some type of name, and then I would have a pop-up store ready and available. I'm going to go create my Instagram. I'm going to create a TikTok shop, and I'm going to have that listed in the bio so that people can see it, right? And that way, as I am telling people about what I do, I have something to send them so they'll see the different mock-ups. So I will probably make like 3 to 5 of these different family reunion style shirts, show people the possibilities, and then I'm going to put it on the Printify pop-up store. That way I don't have to pay anything. I've just created a store. It didn't cost me anything, and people can come and see the possibilities. So now let me actually show you how you're going to get 500 shirts to the Johnson family. Okay. You can hit the menu button, hit orders. And as you can see, you get a discount when you create a bulk order. So you can go to create order. Now you can do a manual order. So let's say somebody just wants like 5 of them. You can do manual. You can even do a sample if you want to take one of the shirts and do a photo shoot yourself, which is what I would actually do. And then with bulk, you're going to hit that. You're going to hit the item. And then you're going to go through, and depending on what the customer needs, you will select the sizes. So what I would do is if somebody's seen my store and they're like, hey, I really like these family reunion shirts and we want to order, I would say, all right, cool. I would create a Google form for them. I would send it over. I would ask them, what is the sizes? Do you want to personalize? Like, I'm going to ask them all the information, and then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to do my bulk order. And then I would calculate inside of Printify how much it's going to cost me to create this bulk order, right? Once I do that, I'm going to send them over a PayPal invoice or a Stripe invoice. And then I'm going to go from there and create the bulk order inside of Printify. Now I don't have to worry about printing it myself. I can create the bulk order. I know what I'm doing. I'm going to go to shipping. I'm going to check out. They have their shirts. I have not had to worry about printing it, and I can do this over and over and over again. So this is just another way that you can utilize Printify as a print-on-demand partner without actually creating like a store where it's just one-offs. This is for some of you who, like I said, people know that you like to create. You're the go-to for the new items. So why not create family reunion shirts? You know people are having family reunions. You know people got birthdays, they got parties, they getting married, they're having babies. So this is a great idea for year round. So if you have questions about this, or you've thought about it and you're still a little confused about how to make it work on Printify, I got you in the comments. Ask me your questions. Let me know what you want to know and get started today. Comment Printify, take my free class. Everything is in my description box. It's just up there. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's get this money.